Use 720p for better image quality. SPM 150 words Essay 33 Your opinion about attending online classes. Selangor Set 1. Modul pintas. You have been attending online classes lately. You have been asked to share your opinion in the school magazine. In your essay, you should write about why online study is important, what are the problems that you face, how to make it more effective. Write your essay using all the notes given. Essay is written by Mr. Sritharan A, L. Arumugam, B.Ed. TESL, Universiti Putra, Malaysia. Certified English Teacher. Email srihero@gmail.com. Please give generous donation to my CIMB Bank Berhad account 7027996813 under my name. Thank you. Online learning. A blend of significance and challenges in today's educational landscape. Online learning stands as a transformative force, offering unmatched accessibility and flexibility. It transcends geographical boundaries, granting learners access to quality education irrespective of location. However, its efficacy faces hurdles. Connectivity issues, technical glitches, and the absence of face-to-face interaction hinder the learning experience. Balancing concentration amid home distractions is an additional obstacle. To bolster the effectiveness of online learning, ensuring robust internet infrastructure for seamless connectivity is imperative. Providing accessible technical support and integrating interactive elements such as virtual labs and live sessions foster active engagement. Establishing clear communication channels between educators and learners nurtures an interactive learning environment. In conclusion, while online study brings convenience, tackling technological hurdles and fostering engagement are pivotal. Embracing technological advancements and cultivating a supportive online community will harness the full potential of this educational medium, crafting more impactful and immersive learning experiences for all involved.